Hello everybody and welcome to Turbo Reviews. How you doing? Beautiful day. Sorta. Been windy past few days, but hey, I got something for review. Pretty nifty. I like it a lot. DJI technology. Yeah. We got the TELLO. I have the prop guards off mine because I'm going to do an outside flight, I think, here in a minute and show you that. But I wanted to try without them, see how it does with, in the wind. A lot of people say this doesn't do very well in the wind, and we got real high winds, so I'm not going to grade that today on it. Just going to give it a shot, I think, though. Try to find an area that is blocked by the wind and give it a shot. But it may not work out very well in the wind. I can at least, I know, fly it around and I haven't got any footage from the camera here on this yet. I do have some footage, indoor footage of me, the maiden, of me flying this a little bit, and doing some of the flips and things that it would do. But it was too dark inside in the optical sensors that it does have here on the bottom. They said, please land. Optical sensors are not picking up or having trouble picking up because it's too dark. And it is dark down there, but I had every light on and the lamp, but it's still too dark. But so if anything, I am going to fly it around out here in fast mode with the I do have the Bluetooth controller that I got for it. I didn't get the one the DJI sells, the $100 one. This one's fairly pricey, but you can get a refurbished model for $30-some, I think. But it works fine. Works great with the iOS. This is iOS. You have to get the iOS version if you get the if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, iPad or iPhone, either one. Other than that, I'm gonna take you off now to my initial thoughts of this deal, how I responded when I got this little baby in the mail. Yeah, I was very happy, and the initial flight. Then I'll come back and tell you it's been a day. This was all yesterday, and I'll come back and give you my thoughts for today, and then maybe take it outside in this wind and see how she does. I wanted an outdoor flight. I wish it wasn't windy, but it's windy. Be right back. Here we go.
Oh golly, I think it is. What we got here? Box game today. Got this yesterday. That came yesterday. You know what that is? You know what that is? Oh shit! There it is! Oh my god!
Have a gander, shall we? Hello. It arrived. TELLO arrived today. Drone City.
Alright then! Yeah. We got the TELLO. Kind of pumped about this little guy. It's got the optical flow system and sensor stuff and all that cool stuff by DJI.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna get down and boogie now. I don't know. Well, everything seems to be down here at the bottom of the boot. Usually they text me when this stuff comes. But we've got the TELLO. Kind of pumped about this little guy. It's got the optical flow system and sensor stuff and all that cool stuff by DJI.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna get down and boogie now. So I got this guy going here. Over here. Yeah. I got the TBS all wired up and everything. I've just been lazy today and sitting there. Okay. Kind of expecting a little more packaging or something maybe, but I don't know. Not all in the packaging. No, everything seems to be down here at the bottom of the boot. I think I will plug my radio back in. I do have the radio. Plug it back in and get it, make sure it's fully charged. Program this thing on my computer and fly with the PC. sit in here while it dances outside, huh?
Hey, controller. You got the silica salt. Don't eat that.
Okay. I always wanted to eat one of those just to see what it's like.
Nothing in the box.
Empty box! Shut it down! Piece of cardboard stuff. Big old thick old book. Look at that. Yeah, let's see about that. Oh, here's right the battery. Beginning to wonder if they put it in the drone or what. There it is, cute little proprietary battery. Okay, and here's a cute little wrench of some sort. Oh, probably for props, I guess. Oh, and let's see, thing is pliers. No. A little. Oh, props, doofus. I thought I said it came with 2 sets. Which comes with 1 set. 1 set of props, kids. 1 set of props. And oh no, you got a set on it. Got 2 sets. Doofus. Back in the bag. Back in the bag. Back in the bag. 2 sets. Okay. Let's get this battery in this thing. Get this thing charged up and pumping. Let's see what the TELLO is. Pretty calm outside today. Actually, probably fly outside pretty well. It's light. Probably be hard to fly outside.
Be taking the prop guards off too. TELLO.
Camera. Battery.
Look at this DJI technology.
Is that technology?
DJI technology.
Is that technology?
Yeah, dual flow obstacle sensors. Oh, we're stabling ties, stabling. Alright, well, brushed motors. Wish they could put brushless motors on the little guy. It'd be really cool. But, can't have everything. Alright, TELLO! Next, standing up. %. I thought it was fun. 260. Yeah. And hey, if you want to know what my thoughts are today about the Tello, absolutely rock solid. Absolutely rock solid. Oh, battery's coming out. But yeah, absolutely. Those little sensors there, they work. I don't know if you can hear it right now, but I can. It's blatantly blowing like to beat the band out there. And I had this out in it. You'll see here. I'm going to show you. And I take my hands off the thing. It's like a GPS drone. I swear. It maintains very well in complete wind. So the people that are saying this does not fly in the wind haven't flown it in the wind. And you probably need to take the prop guards off if you fly it in the wind. An outside period, anyway, in my opinion. But experience, even the racers and stuff, prop guards are a bad thing for outdoors when you're trying to really go or do anything. I mean, just hovering around, it works great. And they may weight it down too much, I don't know, for the wind outside. But and I had it in fast mode. You'll see that's probably not. It wasn't great for filming, but you'll see what kind of picture it does get. It gives a very good picture. It's just 720, but it's a very, very decent picture. I'm just zipping it around. You know, I don't even try to do any of the features. You know, it's not worth trying to do any of them. It's just too windy for that. I mean, far too windy for that. Might have even done them, who knows, because it did better than I thought it was going to do, as far as just holding steady, just sitting there like a rock. And you'll see I take my hands off the radio. I think I've got it in there somewhere. But yeah, it does have a good picture. I did find some footage that I did have some from indoors yesterday when I did the maiden. So and then you'll see that it's not very good. It's dark down there. Like the sensors, you know, it came on and said the sensors were couldn't read down there. So I'd say that's true because the camera doesn't look so hot down there either. It's probably pretty dark. Overall, very happy with the Tello. Awesome piece of equipment there. Awesome little machine for the money for sure. I mean, $100, hard to beat. Optical sensors. There's the missions. Can program with the computer. That's my next step. Doing the programming on the computer. But okay, well, I'm gonna leave you there with here's the flight from Little Both. I filmed a little bit from one camera, trying to show a third person of this going on, what I can get of it, and then I'm from the quad what I've got. So here you go, check it out. The Tello, DJI RYSE Tello. Pick one up. They're awesome. I'm out of here. I'm outside, and as you can see, it's pretty windy. I'm in probably the least windiest place I could be, protected by the house and the fence and the shelf doors here, so we'll see what we can do. I'm not going to try any features probably, because I'm not going to ask it to try to fade off and do all those tricks and things in this kind of wind and fight the wind too. But I will just try to get some footage. I'm going to try mainly just get footage off the
Turning on the TELLO.